Hi, and welcome to this week's weekly collector chat. I am Faith Barnes, your friendly Phelps County collector, and today we are going to talk about what kind of payments we accept. And it's almost tax time. We're gearing up to get those tax bills to you guys. Yay! We've already sent our data over to the printer. Now they have to take that file and turn that into a nice tax bill. They then send that back to us. We have to proof to make sure that everything lines up and that it looks good. And then we give them an okay. They then print those tens of thousands of letters. They stuff them and they mail them. So we're hoping the second week of November at the latest, definitely. And once you receive your tax bill, you have several ways to pay. First, you can mail it in. It's free, except for the stamp, but there's no charge for that. Just have to make sure that it's postmarked by December 31st. That is state statute. And if it's postmarked on January 1st, it's considered late, and then you have all these penalties, interest, and fees added on. So please, if you do mail it, make sure that it's postmarked by December 31st. And also, you can use one stamp to pay your real estate and your personal property, or if you have multiple, you could use one stamp. Just make sure it's very clear which properties, what you're paying for. So either put that bottom portion of your tax bill in there so that we can know what you're paying for. You can also pay online. There is a convenience fee. This fee is one that the credit card company takes, but you can pay online. We also have a telephone number on the back of your bill. You'll see a toll-free number that you will have a unique code, and you can pay that way. Again, there's going to be a slight fee to pay using your debit or credit card. I believe it's 2.19%. You can do a bank-initiated e-check, and of course I love to do e-checks, but this really gives us a lot of problems. It's not our favorite way to accept payments. Of course you can do it, and I love that the banks pay for the postage, but you have to make sure that you have your account number on there, and there's very limited room for information, so that is possible. We just seem to have a lot of trouble trying to figure out which account that goes to, so that's our least favorite, although it does work. You can do cash, but of course don't send cash in the mail. You'll need to come in and do that transaction. We will have several drop boxes put out in the lobby. We have one outside of our building, but we don't recommend that you put cash in either or any of those. So you could do a check. Again, instead of mailing it, you can come in and save postage by dropping it off in one of our drop boxes. We'll have two in our lobbies area. We have one out, which is by the new old jail, and you could stick that in. Again, all of those have to be in by December 31st. You can come in our office and use your credit or debit card, 2.19% if you use a credit card. It's a 30-cent transaction if you use your debit card. So there are a few ways that you can pay. Look for those bills. They will be online around November 2nd, so you can go on PhelpsCountyCollector.com and you can go to that bill pay button and you can pay online that way even before you get your bill. But look for those bills by the second week of November. Of course, call our office or come in if you have any questions, and have a wonderful weekend.